Hello everybody, my name is Antonio, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Munich. I moved here like a month and a half ago, and finally I have some time to make some POV videos. I'm having my Fujifilm X-Pro3 with me.
Okay,
With 23mm lens, which is equivalent of 35mm in full frame format. Let's hope you will enjoy this video, and let me know in the comments if you liked it. Please subscribe and put a like on the video, it will help me a lot. I might switch. I also have a 35mm lens, Fujinon, which is equivalent to 50mm in full frames format. So we'll see. I'm starting slowly to like the city. At the beginning I didn't like it. I don't know, maybe because I lived in Prague for half of my life. And there are some similarities, so I didn't feel like I'm in a new place. Okay, we're gonna take a shot of this huge monument, this gate. One thing that they do here is say wait on traffic light. In other places, if there are no cars, you don't wait, just cross, but here they strictly follow the rules. While we're gonna take one more shot of this. Traffic light is interfering with my shot. So many bikes. Nice image here if you can get it, but for this I need the 50mm. There's a lady on the window up there. Some scenery here. There is Nikon headquarters or something. This place with the Italian flag. When I came to Munich and I saw it, I immediately recognized it. It's a restaurant. And it have been in one film from the 70s. It's one of my favorite films. It's called Ali, Fear, Eat, Soul. It's from Rainer Werner Fassbinder. I was astonished that it looks completely the same like in the film. And the film is shot in the early 70s. So many bikes. Another bike shop here. Shadows here. This building here is nice. Technical University of Munich. Yeah, I could imagine. Beautiful building. It's the Technical University of Munich. Take a couple of more shots and we can move on. I like this newspaper standing here. I just switched to the 35mm lens, which is equivalent to 50mm in full frame. I'm not very experienced with shooting 50mm or 35 in this case. I mainly used Fujifilm X-100F, which was fixed lens. It was 35mm full frame or 23. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know in the comments how do you like this kind of content, and don't forget to subscribe, put maximum of likes, and see you in the next one.